unveil that and say to you, asibangele umsindo ngalento enhle esizama ukuyenza yokuthi incorporate our culture at the Durban July. It's the first of its kind. Akekho umuntu owake wa-incorporate umaskandi kwi-program or rather kuma-festivities that are aligned in the Durban July. So ngizocela-ke nje ukuthi sikhombise umhlaba wonke ukuthi sabantu abamnyama siqhenya kanjani ngeculture yethu. Sabantu abamnyama sikwazi kanjani ukuyiphatha nokugqoka nokuyigqaja ngeculture yethu. But ke uLindani is gonna take us through ukuthi yini ehleliwe nokuthi sizokwenza kanjani moving forward. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sanibonani nonke members of the media, our partners, artists, nama friends. Siyabonga kakhulu nawe Sisu Pro. As a first and kick, we stand too proud to present something historically and long overdue. Siyazi ukuthi kumele ngabe lento kade yenzeka kodwa ngenxa yokuthi bonke abantu platform bayayinqena ukuthi beyithathe, so sathina sibona ukuthi no asiyenze. Durban July yamabhinqa, the very first Maskandi Maki and the iconic Durban July yaqala nga emlandweni ukuthi sikubone lokhu kwenzeka ukuthi uMaskandi uthatha initiative ku Durban July. Into entsha a first kind okokuqala eDurban, uMaskandi uzoba nendawo yakhe nendwango yakhe ezoqhama ezidlangalaleni. We are launching Durban July Amabhinqa, a space celebrate Amabhinqa, not in the background but in front and the center. No longer just a ruler. Now it's a regal, respected and reverent. Amabhinqa are the marvel of Mzansi. Amabhinqa not just the style, not a culture, a story already beat through the heart of Mzansi. Lemaki iyithuba lokuthi sithi emphakathini siyawufaka shi amabhinqa ubukhazikhazi bomntakabani isikhathi sawo sesifikile. Social cohesion, ukubambana kwesizwe. In divided world, the culture is what connects us. Lemaki iyindawo yokuhlangana phakathi komhlanga nomsinga, isentin nomaphumulo, ibhalito kanye nenkandla. Sakha ubumbano ngoba zonke izimpande ziyadingeka ukuze isihlahla sikhule. Yini ke ezokwenzeka efuneke silindele kuleli dende? Sibonile ukuthi kumaciko akithi kaMaskandi sekujwayelekile ukuba kungabi khona lapho lokuthiwa kuneband ezodlala live la khona uzokhala insimbi eyinkenenezayo sizumzili lomnandi kaMaskandi. Sabona ukuthi asihambe siye phesheya kothukela nase South Coast silande umuntu esimaziyo ukuthi uyibhena yawo ngapha nomunye uyarepresenta ngapha phesheya kothukela ubhinqa bethu ukuze bezosidlalela intambo ulive. Sithe masihlelike nethimba phansi sabona ukuthi ukhona umfana ngapha enkandla okuthiwa umuntu uyenziwa ebesibone kuhle kuba akabe ingxenye. Sithi abantu besangena eminyango ukhala imkenenezo yesiginci sijabulele ukubona ubuhle obungaka kaZulu. So sine live performance ke kamuntu yenziwa kanye noNyoni emhlophe wase South Coast. Ibona ke abazobe besidlala isiginci babili kuphela. Siyazi ukuthi ke sizwe sakithi sika Maskandi iDurban July ifani ne festival. Babonile abantu besine event esihostess fast and quick before bewe yamachurch besinama artists la ko 43 kodwa kule asikwazi ukuthi sibe nama artists amaningi ngoba kuyi event futhi esheshe ukuvala esuki nama program amaningi since nathi sifisa ukuveza noma sizo introduce lento esifuna ukuyiveza ngoMaskandi. Then ke ama artist ke esibonile ukuba angaba ingxenye sithathe ama artist awu4 kuphela kuMaskandi. Sithathe omunye umfana wasenkandla okuthiwa Limit wakanala, salanda uMenzi Mabizela, sase siya eHluhluwe salanda uSminoff wakagumeke, sase siya eMdletsheni ngoba siyazi ukuthi uMthandeni ungomunye wama artist ahlukanisa unyaka futhi ungomunye wama artist abe nesasasa kakhulu uma ku featureisha elinye iartist kwaphuma into emnandi ethakaselwa abantu. So sinaye ke uMthandeni okusho ukuthi sinomthandeni Manqele, uLimit nala, uMenzi, mase kuba uSminoff, uNyoni Emhlophe nomuntu yenziwa, ama artist kuphela awu6. Sase sibona ukuthi khona la kuMaskandi siyamdinga futhi umuntu wesifazane esaziyo ukuthi uculule noMaskandi futhi ucula ingoma zakhe zakwenye genre okumapiano njalo afropop njalo njalo. Sabona ukuthi kungcono silande naye uMaho, okusho ukuthi uMaho uyingxenye ye-lineup yethu. Fashion fusion imvunulo esestyleni nengqephu side by side, okusho ukuthi kunobani sobeqala experience ukuthi ubone ukuthi iGucci noGoto into ezongena phakathi kwi-Durban July ngoba ngiyawazi amabhinqa. VIP hospitality, stylish, soulful and proud in Mzansi. So nje khuleka ke khona osisi abahle lapha kaHalisi abazobe bephethe kahle administration yaKaHalisi futhi ngiyayazi ukuthi right nami senga experience. What does this means for entertainment industry? We are opening the doors for rural artists, designers, vendors and storytellers. Alikho isiko eliphansi, zonke izindlela zethu zifanele ukuphakanyiswa. Durban July Mabhinqa is not of an off moment, it's a movement. Ukubambisana okuqinile siyabonga kakhulu kwiHalisi ukusinikeza ithuba elihle kangaka for sis the vision and joining us to make this real. Njengoba sibazi ukuthi endimeni kade bafika futhi sivule izandla uma betshengisa noma beqhakambisa ukuba sibambisana. Nathi si Fast and Quick siyakubonga lokho, sithi uNkulunkulu aze abenze kahle. This collaboration says indawo yabantu basezingeni eliphansi ayisekho, bonke sebefike phezulu, okusho ukuthi akekho lento ukubukela abantu phansi ukuthi amabhinqa phansi. Njengamanje amabhinqa wonke umuntu ufuneka mayehlangana nawo ngoba inkampani eziningi ona amabhinqa, inkampani eziningi ezikhona, osomathenda, osomabhizinisi, abangcwabi njalo njalo, zonke inhlangothi nezinhlobonhlobo zamabhizinisi siyazi ukuthi abanye zikonwa amabhinqa. Final call asijabule ndawonye to every village and township, KwaNongoma, eSoweto, eJeppe, eJiphi, iKwaMashu, eQumbu, eKhayelitsha. This marquee is for you. Okusho akukhethe bala la mfindela abantu abasuka koQumbu, koKhayelitsha, iseGoli, koSentini, isemahostela, bonke abantu abawasomabhizinisi sibalindele ngoba sifuna bezo taster lento esizobanikeza yona. Sithona ongakaze uzwe iDurban July, nanti ke ithuba. Siyazi ukuthi khona abantu abangaze beze kwiDurban July, nanti ke ithuba. Join us, dress up, dance, celebrate, because amabhinqa are not behind. They are the moments. Siyabonga, let's make this historically together at Durban July Amabhinqa 2025. Durban July Amabhinqa la khona esizoveza siqhakambisa. Angifisi ukuthi ngande ngamaningi ngoba ngidle amaningi esakeni. Kodwa ngithi sizo samabhinqa ngiyanimema nonke osomabhizinisi nazonke izinkampani ezifisayo ukuba zizoqhakambisa lento yamabhinqa ukuba zihlanganyele nathi kuleli tende lamabhinqa elisihlanganise kanye noHalisi. Ngiyaphinda futhi once again sisi uPro siyabonga kakhulu ukubona umbono omuhle kangaka ukuba sikwazi ukuthi ungagcina ngokukhuluma kodwa siwenze ukuthi ube yinto ebonakalayo. Ngithi ke manje kusukela manje ke mabhinqa kethi ke iyaphuma iline-up namhlanje basesikhipha iline-up, ama-poster yaphuma kanye nama-package. Ngiyazi ke ukuthi lento yamathikithi ke kuMaskandi namabhinqa mhlambe izokhulumisa kwabanye. Uma ubona ukuthi uphe iDurban July Fun Festival akuthiwa khona i-VIP i-1000 rand, i-VIP mhlawumbe i-2000. La siqala ke manje siya engage ngoba amathikithi ethu khona leka 13000, kube khona leka 36000, kube khona elika 67000 amathikithi ethu ngoba iDurban July le akuyona festival. So ke mabhenca kithi uhle uzophuma lonke namhlanje izolala nikutholile. Osomabhizinisi abajwayele ukuya kumanye amatende angisho ukuthi ngithini, kodwa bonke labantu ade behamba iminyaka esidlule ngisho ku5 be-attend amanye amatende bengamabhinci seyanibiza kokagumede ngamaphumulo. Buyani ke manje nize khale ngithi ayikhala ke manje ziyakhala manje. Thank you so much.
Mahle amagama woniwa Shine Africa Shine kunjalo ke phela sengithatha intambo ngiphonse ku uMnkosazana. Awubambe mntakama enkosi ngiyabulele.
Thank you so much for coming. I think Bom Seventh Lula is just to speak about the hospitality and what we do as an events company. I think when we came up with Ohalisi, with the business partners, which was Upruno and the Besongcwabe, what we wanted was a luxe lifestyle. A lifestyle that could accommodate LSM, SCCB or Latina, elderly people who are matured, who would enjoy a crowd. So from entrance, again, from the door, it's hospitality, it's VVIP, until you get to your seat and you are seated kahle. And with the experience of our esteemed chef who comes in with a lot of culinary experience and also with the bar experience, you can only imagine which those two infused together. But again, this is the first of its kind as a Shilo business partner way too, which is going to be the first of its kind. I mean, implementing Amabinga into a theme this year, which is the Marvels of Umzansi. Implementing a culture is something that is going to be so unique and something very different. So, siyabonga kakhulu for this partnership, and we look forward to it. Thank you.
Enkosi kakhulu awu nolwazi. Mahle amagama wabekile. Ake ngithathe intambo ngiphonse kuba kumdluli osuka kuNtatheli nomzana.
Sanibona. Yebo. Ayicela nje uqale ngizase segama lami ngoAyanda Mdluli. Ngumhleli wephephandaba lana eThekwini ethiwa iDaily News. iDaily News just ukuthi nginikeze i-background is part of a group ethiwa Independent Media. So la KZN sithina esiphethe iDaily News, siphethe iMercury, uIOL kanye neSolezwe neSunday Tribune, siphethe neIndependent on Saturday, eGoli masukuba iThe Star nePretoria News, and nase-Cape Town kube iCape Times neCape Argus. So i-role esiyidlalayo la eThekwini is very important. Ibaluleke kakhulu as a media house, because we need to be the ones who hold the city to account on all of the issues enzakalayo, kodwa futhi sisupporte nala ekumele sisupporte khona nokuhle futhi sikwazi ukuthi siphinde sincome mekhona okuhle enzakalayo. So iDaily News is 147 years old. iDurban July has been happening for the past 129 years, megabosses. So lowo mlando kuyahambiselana neDaily News. We've been hand in hand sisebenzisana no Gold Circle and nama organizers nama sponsors eDaily News for over 100 years la eThekwini. Just ukuthi ngize kuyindaba zama-ashi, as iDaily News we are very passionate about ama-ashi ne-horse racing la eThekwini. We have our own race day, that is nama-ashi ethu enzekala njalo ngoMay, called iDaily News 2000, and usually ihashi elwina iDaily News 2000 Ilola Eli winner in Durban July, or is usually in the top, one of the top horses in Durban July. So siyasiqhenya ngathi ngokuba associated with the horse racing la eThekwini, and ngingathanda futhi ukuthi mhlambe next year nani nikwazi ukuthi nisijoine futhi kwi-Delinews 2000. I-support yethu as an organization to uMaskandi is evidenced nama-partnerships abuye enzeke with one of our sister titles ethiwa iSolezwe. iSolezwe has been very passionate and very supportive of Maskandi, which has now turned into one of the biggest music genres, not just in KwaZulu-Natal, but in South Africa as well. So Tina, as iDelinews, it made perfect sense for us to partner with Halisi Afrique. We were partners last year, and we saw that it made sense for everyone involved, and especially for our readership, because we Delinews in a page ethiwa iDelinews Racing eliphuma each and every day. So sidila namaphata nazo zonke iy'nsuku. So if you guys are interested in horse racing, iDelinews lona phepha lelo elinikeza wonke ama-tips, yonke information nakho konke okwenzakalayo ngamahhashi. And then ke ngokuvala ngithanda nje ukuthi ngibonge for the opportunity to be a sponsor again this year, and singathokoza futhi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibambe le relationship, siqhubeke sikhule, and next year do even bigger and greater things. And singathanda futhi ukuthi nange-Delinews 2000 nike nisijoyine, ngiyanimema, I'm opening it up, nifike nizobona nibe involved emahashini. And yeah, and thank you very much once again for the opportunity.
Siyabonga Mhlonishwa Mbokamdluli, sivumela ngehlobo mahla amagama wadingoni. Kunjalo ke phela simthemba ukuthi nizofika kumniki benu bazalwane ku-Durban July. Halisi Afrique awuswa madoda. Ake ngithi ngana manje ngizocela Mr. Abbas Musa.
U-Abbas ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubambezelekile. U-Abbas Musa owns indawo angazi ngabayazi nabanye, kodwa it's mainly focused on men, ebizwa nge-Sartorial men's grooming. Ilapha mangabe uhamba nje ngo-Windermere Road, is not far from a place called Zai, a salon where men can cut their hair. He also does ama-suit. So bonke abantu abadinga ama-suit for Durban July ubalindele ukuze akwazi ukuthi abathungisele amasuit. Also, as part of the experience kwimakhiye siba ne-makeup station for abantu besifazane, just to touch up mangabe nyazi kuyadanswa kuyashisa and whatnot, just to touch up their makeup. So this year we decided ukuthi we need to incorporate abantu besilisa as well, sibenzele nabikhona labo elizobe limanejwa uSartorial. Ilokho nje u-Abbas bezokubeka in his absence, ama-sponsors ethu nabo kunyaka. Siyabonga.
Mahla amagama wadingoni, hayi fela amadoda fanele asweke, kodwa kuleli funa bebebhinqile beshaya zomdabu. Right now the floor is open to questions from the press. If there are any questions. Has anybody? Yes, dear.
Thank you. Sanibonani. Igama lami Busine Ngwakanene, ngimele Select Africa TV. Anginawo umbuzo, bengifuna nje ukuncoma ukuthi ngiyaqala mina ukubona iconcept kanje, and ngisayibona isapostiwa, was like, okay, this is nice. Kuhle ukuthi sibone ukuthi nathi usiko lwethu nomusic wethu uyangena kuma spaces lawe kade kuthiwa before akumelanga sibe kuona. So I'm just here to uncoma and say muhle umsebenzi. Siyabonga.
Mahla amagama wadingoni, kunjalo ke phela i-Cosmopolitan yaphesheya hayi sekuyila yeningizimu. Sihlonipha usiko, sihlonipha uMaskandi. Danko bazalwana, ake ngithathe intambo ngiphonsela nasi isidlakala sensizwe ifuna ukubeka amanqaphu.
Sanibonani.
igama nguLucky ngowakhe isibongo maphephandabeni Ilanga. Umbuzo wami encane nje ucacisa indaba yemali okuza le market malini nakwey'ndaba zakhona ukuthi ifike kanjani ngoba ngathi uthe halamuzi kodwa zobe ugxile kakhulu khona. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga mhlonishwa. Mfowethu.
Sanibonana K. Sishilo ukuthi ke kunamathikithi for abantu abawu2 aka 13,000 sibe nabantu abawu4 aba 36,000 mase kuba abantu abawu10 aba 67,000 yes kunjalo.
Mhlambe ucacisa nje lapho yazi ukuthi lezi number ziyathusa. Mawufika kwi-Durban July uzuhambe alikho itende kwi-Durban July that gives you food and drinks throughout kuze kuvala. Kufikwa lapho kuvulwa ngo11 ekseni kuze kuvalwe ngo10 ebusuku. Noma iliphi itende noma ikuphi la uhamba khona abantu bayathenga amathikithi bafike khona ushaya isikhathi esithile ukudla sekungasekho sebelambile ushaya isikhathi esithile ibound sekuphelile utshwala angithi iphuzo ngathi iphuzo seyiphelile so lapha yana kahalisi ke yonke into is incorporated lapha phakathi and then bese kuba khona uma ngabuya kwi-Durban July kunethikithi lokungena esangweni lelo thikithi umuntu othenge kuthina angeke asikho isidingo sokuthi alithenge ulithola as part of i-package. Ticket le parking ulithola as part of i-package and then they also incorporate the furniture, the decor esuke siyihlelile lapha nayo hlobo liphezulu. It includes ukuthi uhleli comfortably kune security engadile so there's no problems, there's no issues. Imali yakho ngeke uzuyikhalela. That also incorporates i-entertainment esobe sinayo abaculi labo kufanele bakhokhelwe so zonke lezo zinto isuke ibaliwe kuleyo package njengoba sisho ama-prizes. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyacaca Mr. King. Thank you so much. But ikhona ke press release mangabe siqeda la so ninikeze press release and then ama-posters ayaphuma namhlanje ane line up na wonke ama-packages ukuze yonke into icace. Ngiyabonga.
Lungis comment ngithathe umbuzo wami ngishaya bengichecka la ukuthi approachile umengameli wamabhinqa umculo ngalolu hlelo.
Umengameli uyazi besina izolo inhlaka production besishutha na izolo ebusuku sishutha into inkulumo kaMengameli ungizwe izopostwa namhlanje epage lenhlaka production so uma awe uyazi nizoyithola inkulumo yakhe isirekhodi ebusuku so kulinda ukuthi kuqedwe i-media briefing ngoba nayo silindele ukuthi uzoqhamuka noma nini mase kuba ukuthi ke iyapostwa ebusuku kodwa ishuthi ikhona.
Asikwazi phela ukwenza lelo phutha singamemeli umongameli wonke. Siyabonga.
Mahle amagama wathi woniwe. Shine Africa shine. Are there any more questions from the press? Bafowethu nami fine ngihlanganisa amasayidi nami ngibe ingxenye yalomcimbi ngifike nami ngibhinqile ngihlonipha usiko lesintu la emhlabeni ningibona ngumuntu omhlophe ngibhinqile kungani ngoba ngiyalithanda lelizwe khona bengibuza ukuthi hawu umlungu obhinqile wenzani ngithi hayi ngiyalihlonipha lelizwe njengoba bazalwane nomzana.
Angibonge mlungu obhinqile. Ma unomngani waseNdiya unomcimbi wenze show udayisela iculture yakhe akunikeza uBrian ungacela ukuthi bakusupport njani bese kube faka iculture yokudla kwabo since sibhekene noDurban July amabhenci ngabe nathi kukhona kuyiqhatsha ukukhulu ukudla kwethu kwesintu.
Nangu Ndumiso phendula kuyabuzwa ukuthi ukudla kwethu kuzobe kumi kanjani mangabekiwa emcimbini yaseNdiya khona uBrian wena wenze njani la ezweni.
Sanibonani. Ilula le nto I think ukudla kwethu nako kufanele kubungazwe kubonwe esingeni leli eliphezulu esijwayele so khulekani yonke into izobe ikhona eyakaZulu esijwayele mhlambe sikhiphe neyithelo.
hayi mfowethu singakujabulela lokho ngempela singakujabulela sifuna imigxabhisi Home Affairs eza ngaphakathi nenyama enhloko noJack. Ladies and gentlemen, have we got any more questions? Well, I think then that's oh yes, Nomsa. Oh, yadli intshebe. Yadli iphunga.
Sibonga umntombi. Uphazamisa lo uphazamisa news. Ngicela ukubuza lapha kubonge ekwaqala ithuba ukuthi sibe nento nje emabhinqa bengazi khona. Ngicela ukubuza kuba hleli bethu ngaphansi bethu ukuthi mhlambe siyayibona niqhubeka noma mhlambe kuyoba into eqalayo iyagcina. Ukwazi lokho ukuthi ngayibona niqhubeka iminyaka yonke iba khona lento emabhinqa because ngicabanga ukuthi kuyaqala emlandweni.
Hayi mfowethu vethu kuyaqala emlandweni. Hayi asithembe ukuthi izobe impumelelo ekhanyayo ukuthi iqhubeka ngempela ngoba vethu kufuna ukuhlonishwa usiko, uhlonishwa the marvels of Mzansi. Siyabonga mfowethu.
Mhlambe without revealing okuningi lo mcimbi decide ukuthi siwulontshe kanje kulonyaka. But ngonyaka ozayo suhlelela ukuthi ube mkhulu kunalokho, suhlelela ukuthi ube ne2 parts. Kube khona i-concert ezobe yenzeka kwi-venue esisazoyidalula while the Durban July happens. Bese kuthi mangabe sekuphunya kwi-Durban July bese siyaphuma siyojoyina lapha kube umcimbi nje omkhulu. Ihalisi yaqala ngo-2022, so ngonyaka ozayo izobe iqeda 5 years. So siplaneke ukuthi kube bigger and better. But-ke uqwabe kuzothi kunaba lapho.
Siyabonga. Cha, njengoba sesivezile nje sayibeka phezulu kwetafula asisahlehlele emuva. Osisipro bona ngifuna sifuna ukuthi next year ngoba uyabona ukuthi bona they are good ekuhleleni lento yangaphakathi ngomama khina nani. So next year bona bazobe busy bengapha ngaphakathi. Thina si busy silungisa i-festival. So okusho ukuthi mawuzobe uneticket lokungena kwimarket yethu next year mawusuka khona uyazi ukuthi kune after party ezobe ine line up ezobe ishisa ukuze kusekuseni. So okusho basi silaunch nje namhlanje futhi next year sine marquee plus i-event ezobe i-after party. Sazi ukuthi uma ungali afford wena i-ticket lokungena kwimarquee uyazi ukuthi uzobe afford ukuthi generally yowazi ukuyilokuzana ukwi-event okusho ukuthi siba ne-ticket le-event sibe ne-ticket le-marquee futhi uyakwazi uma uthenga i-ticket le-marquee uphinde futhi uye kwi-after party. Yeah.
Oh mahla magama asihlehli siyabangela. Ngiyabonga. Asihlehli siyabangela. Wethu.
Sanibonani. Igama sihle from i-podcast affirmation. Akona umbuzo onama ngale ngqombe kuhle kakhulu siyabonga siyajabulela. But bengisacela ukuthi mhlawumbe siphinde sithole a bit of the clarity kancane la oke wathi uthinta khona in terms of selecting the artist okuyiwona azobe performer on the day. Ukuthi konje mhlawumbe uma ungathi mhlawumbe sithi lukuhlelwa kahle kahle enilandeliwe ekhetheni lawo ngona ama-artist enwakhethi uyabona.
Okay. We-event abafowethu siyazi umuntu ungenelwa ingoma yakhe ingoma phela akhohlele ukuthiwa mhlawumbe kuthiwa sibheke iy'namba nani sithatha abantu abasebalazweni nje abanengoma enkulu okungasho ukuthi laba bangekho abenayo ingoma enkulu kodwa ngoba kufuneka sithole abantu abayisithupha kuphela ababili abazodlala live mase bama-artist awu-4 cha laba sithe masibuka iy'namba sihlele emhlanganweni sabona laba abawu-4 impela hayi ake siqale ngabo kodwa next year siyathembisa ukuthi cha i-line-up kaMaskandi yobe inkulu kakhulu ngoba izobe imicimbi isihlukana kabili kunemarquee masuba nevenue ye-festival okusho next year bonke ama-artist kaMaskandi impela azolithola ithuba lokuba akwazi ukuthi angene kodwa bamanje sibheke kanjalo ngoba isizathu sokuthi sithathe uNomthandeni unengoma enkulu esanda kuhlukanisa unyaka singakho and then laba bawu-3 ngoba ukuthi-ke siyabheka ukuthi usebalazweni limit njengamanje sanda kuwina iquantum kwamanye ama-event masibuka umenzi ngapha wangapha isikhothi siyambona ukuthi mkhulu kakhulu indaba ingoma yakhe inkulu kanjalo noSminoff usanda kufeatureisha uzinxumana ingoma esajola kamnandi uzi ucula amapiano njalo njalo so ufuneke sikwazi uma uthatha umuntu okwazi ukucollaborate nabo bonke laba abanye abantu ukuthi bake bafeatureisha ithini ingoma yakhona yeah
Umswana madoda fast and quick ngekuthatha intambo la ngiphonsela unkosaza nogeza ngobisi
Hayi sanibonani uThobaso phela fashion design ngiyayithanda lo mcebo omuhle kakhulu bengicela ukubuza ukuthi ngisangakwazi ukuba nalo ithuba lokuzo showcase about African print and amapinga as well ngingakwazi ukuthi ngisangenele is it possible
noma bese si finalize lokho kodwa mhlambe singafanele sikhulume eceleni sibone mhlambe a few garments sibone ukuthi singafeatureisha kanjani so ithola indlela siyabonga
angazi asekhona amaqhaphaqapha nomzana wami
Suspect thina siyo highway radio sesiyaqala siyapost sicela ukuthi i-hashtag ithini
okay i-hashtag ithi the Halisi experience but ke sonikeza ne-press release ena wonke ke lamanye ama-hashtags enizokwazi ukuwa-mention uzoyithola nje imzuzu emhlanu ingakapheli usande uzoyithumela siyabonga
hayi usho ukuthi bazalwane sibonge kakhulu kubanani ngibonga ama-host ethu Halisi Africa Hospitality and Fast and Quick Consulting and the media sponsor yethu the Daily News Umswana madoda 147 iminyaka Umswana madoda the Daily News a media sponsor yethu then amanye ama-sponsor ethu Diageo iDiageo yasponsor ne-MG imoto ezegwili kodwa ezingahlabi kakhulu MG awungabona inhlansuthi ikhona isilethele imoto ezinhle lapho yama-MG and then Sartorial Men's Grooming a sponsor of ours and then Graham Beck and Steenberg Wines as well as Fly SAA hayi bazalwane ngithembe ngizonibona nonke uDurban July kumabhinqa nami ayifane ngihlanganisa amasethi nami ngibe khona ngibe ingxenye lakhona ningithola ngibhincile ngakhona ngithemba ukuthi obusinessmen nabathanda usiko bazofika ngokuningi babo nathola amathikithi ku Fast and Quick Consulting nomzana wami
Ngiyaxolisa uphinde ngicela ukubuza lapha kulama package yamathikithi ukuthi ngoba kungenzeka kuzobe kufika abantu bakoMpumalanga wonke amazwe mhlawumbe eJoburg kanjalo njalo kwi-package le include i-accommodation yokulala noma umuntu uyayibonela because iDurban July iyilokhuza hand so ngicela ukuthola lapho ukuthi i-package nje eyosuku kuphela noma khona okunye kufakayo
asibonge into cha i-accommodation ayikho kodwa izinto ezikhona kwi-package ne-package zibhaliwe izotholakala nje khona manje I think seyiqediwe sizoyiposta mhlawumbe nonke ngoba nikhona la sothi masiqeda nje la nginikeze nifake einkundleni zenu ukuthi i-package ne-package iphuma nani mhlawumbe kwesibili okunye MC esikhohliwe mabhinqa kithi amatafula khona amatafula awu-10 esiwaqambe ama-artist ethu kamaskandi omgqumeni obhekumuzi lothuli wonke omtshengise emgcwense wonke lama-artist ethu kamaskandi angekho abanye sabaqamba ngokhumalo Zulu kanjalo njalo kodwa sifuna ukuzoyiveza lento ukuthi thina njengamabhinqa kunaba-artist amaskandi asadlula njengoba adlula nje njengoba sizoveza lokubuhle sikukhangisayo ayibe khona into ezokwazi ukuba khona so next year ingakho uzwe kuphoqa ukuthi kumele kwi-festival kwenziwe ama-tribute abo bonke laba bangasekho ababambe iqhaza umaskandi ukuze into yethu sizoyilokuzana kodwa manje sa-introducer i-concept isayitsha sisayifaka kubantu kodwa next year sayiphakamisa ukuthi izinga lizobe likhulu kakhulu kuningi ofuneka ni-expect next year I thank you
Ngizothemba ngempela ukuthi kube khona itafula ebizwa ngophuzu shukela. Hayi umuntu engimthande kakhulu. Hayi. Siyabonga bafowethu. Ake ngithathe intambo ngiphonsela.
Sanibona uZito waseHluhluwe. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi lapha kwi-media lukhona luhlelo lokuthi mhlambe egate singena kanjani sekhokhela noma mhlambe khona inhlelo enazo nemigomo nemibandela yokushutha ngaphakathi etendeni njengoba sazi ukuthi abanye bazobe mhlambe bahamba nabantu ongasibona abantu babaqondile. Ngiyabonga.
Kwi-press release ikhona ama-details abazoregister khona abantu bemedia. Ngiyacela ukugcizelela lokho. Ngangiyintatheli, so ngiyalazi udaba ukuthi libuye lihambe kanjani. Uyathunywa e-newsroom ukuthi uhambe uyobhala istory, kodwa bese ubiza umngani wakho. Ngiyacela ukuthi sikugweme lokho. Kuza abantu that have been supporting us, most of the people that are here today, and people that are there to work. Yebo kumnandi kwi-Durban July, but sifanele siyithathe into siyiqondise sihambise ngomsebenzi. Ama-details azobe khona kwi-press release on how we can register that.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big thank you to Halisi Afrique, Fast and Quick Consulting, and our media sponsor, Daily News, Ogamjuli. Siyabonga, ngibonga ama-sponsor ethu, Diageo, i-MG, izimoto ezinhle kakhulu,